We're all used to looking at opting in. I mean, pretty much every time we're going onto a website these days, there is some sort of mechanism. But again, without those mechanisms, without that digital automation, you are at risk of not being compliant. So looking at various ways, one of the things we always recommend is you can add a WhatsApp widget to your website. And that's very useful because, again, using WhatsApp, let's not forget, it's probably very fast becoming the fastest messaging medium we have, used by family and friends constantly, something that people are very familiar with. And it's so easy to do. You could also look at maybe a QR code at the bottom of an email or a letter, because again, when you think about the usage of mobile phones today, people these days are so quick to just open up the camera, scan the QR code, and you're immediately in. And once you're opted in, it's very automated. Or you could even think about adding a WhatsApp to SMS. Although we talk about WhatsApp being one of the more popular messaging mediums, SMS has been around a long time and is still accepted by many people as a very suitable way. But you give people the option, because you've then got a response in SMS, or if you prefer WhatsApp, you've then got a response to it via that medium as well.
Yeah, and it's some great points there, because we think obviously most brands now get the digital opt-in when the customer signs up for the service, but particularly for debt collection companies, you get handed a load of cases or they buy in debt. They don't always have the opt-in, particularly if it's from like bigger financial services organizations where they're getting the accounts. So this is where some of these options Enzo's spoken about enables you to promote these channels and get that opt-in, so then you can go sort of outbound to them.
100%. So now let's look at some of the compliant messaging flows.